Hi, this video is for the spheres and the tetrahedrons. So today we are continuing to use the long division method to solve division problems. Now remember, we use long division when our divisor is a 2-digit number. So we've got the calculation 606 divided by 49. Now step 1 is to ask yourself, how many times can 49 fit into 60? We know that it's just going to fit in once. We know there's definitely going to be a remainder, so to calculate my remainder, I'm going to write the 49 underneath the 60 and do a subtraction calculation. Now 0 take away 9, I'm going to have to borrow 1 and make that 10. So 10 take away 9 is 1, 5 take away 4 is 1. So we've got remainder 11. Now we move over to our 6 and we pull him down and write him underneath there. And I'm just going to rewrite my 1 because it doesn't look very neat. So now we've got 116 and we're asking ourselves, how many times can 49 fit into 116? Now we know that 49 is very close to 50 and we know that double 50 is 100. So I'm going to try and say it'll fit in twice, but let's double check. So 49 times 2, 9 times 2 is 18, 4 times 2 is 8, add 1 is 9. Now I know I couldn't add on another 49 because it would take me past 116. So it fits in nicely twice, but I'm going to have some sort of remainder. So to calculate my remainder, I write my 98 underneath my 116 to do a subtraction calculation. Now 6 take away 8, I'm going to have to borrow 1 and make that 16 take away 8, which is 8. 0 take away 9, again I'm going to have to borrow 1 to do 10 take away 9, which gives me 1. So my answer is 12, remainder 18. And let's just do another one to practice. I know it's quite a long strategy, but it's important that you know the steps that you have to do in this strategy. And one of the most important things, as with anything in numeracy, is that we write it out really nice and neatly, because that makes the calculation so much easier. Okay, let's go for, that was the first one of your questions, let's go for the last one. So let's do 784 divided, that's not very neat, by 33. Okay, so how many times can 33 fit into 78? I'm going to say twice. Now let's check. 33 times 2. 3 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6, sorry. 3 times 2 is 6. So we've got 66. Now I know I couldn't add on another 33 because that would take me past 78. So 33 fits into 78 twice, and there will be a remainder, so I write my 66 underneath to calculate that. 8 take away 6 is 2, 7 take away 6 is 1, so it was a remainder 12. Now we've got our 4 left over, so we pull him down and pop him there. And now we ask ourselves, how many times can 33 fit into 124? Now I am going to say, I'm going to try and say it'll fit in 3 times. Let's see, 33, which we know what the answer to this is going to be, 9 and 9. Yep, and now I know I couldn't add on another 33 because that would take me past 124. So 33 fits in 124 3 times. And to calculate my remainder, I write my 99 underneath my 124 and we do a subtraction. 4 take away 9, well we're going to have to borrow 1. 14 take away 9 is 5. 1 take away 9, we're going to have to borrow 1 and make it 11 take away 9, which is 2, and we've got 0 there. So it's 23, remainder 25. So hopefully you were able to follow that, okay? And remember, it's just lots of practice. It's writing out very clearly, it's knowing your times tables, and also it's making estimations and a guess. Sometimes it might take you a really, really long time, but try and think, you know, I knew that it wasn't going to fit into 78 three times, because that would be 99. So it's just about looking at the numbers and making estimations about how many times you think it's going to fit in. If it means that you've got to do 4 or 5 calculations at the side of your working out, that's okay, if that means you're getting the right answer. Hopefully you found that video useful. See you later.